help these students from the time they show an interest in our college until we've got them registered, admitted, enrolled, and then from there we go on to support them as they become students, whether it's for academic or professional development from their jobs, enrichment, as a lifelong learning mission.
This gives the opportunity to reflect and look back at not only what we're doing well, but maybe what gaps exist in the services that we provide. For instance, we evaluated tutoring based on student feedback. So that feedback led to a tutor certification program, which increased dramatically the number of students that now seek tutoring. Every time we improve a process, it gives us the opportunity to continue to improve it.
We found excellence in a variety of ways throughout the faculty and illustrated by the outcomes in the student achievements and reflected in the mission of the college.
The role of the faculty here at the College of Southern Maryland is to help our students realize their potential, and I see the institution's goal as to helping the faculty to realize our potential.
The foundation of that realization is there. Our faculty are very well prepared when they come to the college. There's a very careful selection process that's in place for both full-time and the adjunct faculty in different ways, of course. And then once there, the college is very supportive of opportunities for personal development and development in the classroom, and then we see it with the students. As, for example, at honors, or just the number of students that are excelling in our programs, and they will give that kind of feedback after graduation as well.
What we discovered there were two things that really stood out to us. For me, it was the congruency of our educational offerings. And for Rachel?
It was our program review and development process. It helped us understand our programs much better. It helped us see how our programs actually interconnected with general education requirements and how it then actually mapped all the way up to the institutional goals.
It kind of brings us into the whole concept of congruency. We have kind of a top-down approach, but that top-down approach can also go bottom-up. And what I mean by a top-down approach is that in order for us to even have assessment, we have to have a mission and vision statement at the very top level of the college, and then that trickles down into the individual divisions. Or it really starts at the Division of Academic Affairs, which then contains divisions within that. And then we move down to the program level, which is the individual letters of recognition, your certificates, your degrees, and then all the way down to the individual courses. And we should also be able to go right back up.
One of the marks of excellence, I think, that we found in general education is that it's always been faculty-driven, that general education objectives have been developed by faculty, pushed forward by faculty, assessed by faculty, and they've been updated over the years through this assessment process. So from that, we developed core learning areas, which was also developed by faculty.
I think one of the best things about this current process has been that the faculty really took the time to go back and look at the old general education objectives, do a gap analysis, and realize that there were some key points missing, looking at current trends in higher education, and develop the core learning areas to really match what was going on both at the college as well as externally throughout higher education nationally.
In our continuing education area, a number of programs that we offer, it's hard to find someone in Southern Maryland that hasn't attended the Kids and Teens College or had a family member or friends that attend the Kids and Teens College. So that's one program area that I think represents excellence for the college. Another program area is our trades and energy training programs over in Waldorf, both in terms of the facility and the programs that we offered. It's hard to find in Maryland another community college offering programs like this that surpass the quality that we offer.
CSM is in a similar position of a lot of higher educational institutions in that we have a sizable population of students that come to us that are not prepared for college level coursework. And as a result, we've put forth a lot of effort and time and resources towards revamping the coursework that students that are at this level have to take. We are expecting to greatly shorten the time to degree, change the mindset of students that place below college level, and give them hope that soon they'll be able to earn their degree, transfer, or into the workforce, or whatever their goals are.
Having traveled over the state and seen the other community colleges for comparison, our facilities are excellent. Part of our standard did focus on extension facilities, but our 3 campuses, we don't consider them extension campuses. We consider them 3 co-equal campuses, and each one has its own unique flavor and differences, but in many ways they are the same. We offer the same programs, the staff is part of the same team, and there's a oneness about us.
The only constant here is change, and we're really good at adjusting to that. As a matter of fact, I think we anticipate change and we get out ahead of change so that we're kind of ahead of the other colleges in the area, and that's where I see excellence at CSM.
And I just want to say a big thanks to all of the faculty and staff who've really helped make this assessment process, which although is required for Middle States, is also something that we do well here at the college. So from going from paper to this secure, wonderful platform. So, yay, thank you.